Hey there. Today I want to talk about visualization and how beneficial that can be for us. So, you might think about visualization like something that you have to do to sit down, like a really dedicated time when you sit down and you just imagine what your life is going to be like. And that is for sure a type of visualization. It can also just be something that we do without even really thinking about it, without even knowing that we're doing it unconsciously. So, for example, say you're worried about an upcoming event, something that is going to happen in the future, and your mind's like looping over this event. So that is also a type of visualization, right? We're like um, creating images in our head, telling ourselves words about what's going to happen. That is visualizing. It's just doing it in a way that's that doesn't feel good to us necessarily. It doesn't produce healthy physiological benefits. Now, visualization can have some very healthy physiological benefits when we're visualizing things that are pleasant, enjoyable. We're getting a lot of dopamine, oxytocin, perhaps serotonin for sure. Like we're getting a lot of positive, healthy neurotransmitters. And this is very beneficial for us, right? It feels very supportive to our systems to have these things. And so visualization can be very helpful for that. Visualization is also great for helping us achieve our goals. So, for example, when I used to do archery, I was told to focus on the target, right? Or if you're going to take a swing with a softball bat, you look at the ball, you don't look at the bat. You focus on, and then you focus on where you want it to go. So you're thinking, like, say you're swinging with a bat, you're focusing on hitting that ball really, really far away, maybe a home run or something like that. And so athletes use visualization all the time to help them to prepare for being on the field, to help them up their game, and to help improve their sports performance. It's one of the benefits of visualization is that we can train our minds to do something really amazing in the future. Visualization is also really great for relaxation, for stress reduction, super helpful for calming ourselves down, for feeling more relaxed. It can help, decrease stress. It can help dissipate anxiety. It just helps in general to make us feel more relaxed. We might imagine visualizing ourselves somewhere that we love to go, maybe on a vacation, could be a beach. Some people like to imagine being on the beach. It could be going for a swim or going for a hike or horseback riding or any one of any number of other things that you might enjoy doing in the privacy of your own mind. That is visualization. Uh, Visualization is also very helpful for, we talked about improved performance. So athletes use that to improve their performance. Also helps in competition. So when athletes are competing against each other, they get a little extra boost that way. It can be great for building confidence. We can imagine ourselves in the future feeling more confident, standing confidently, presenting ourselves in the confident way. We can imagine how we might look, sound to other people or to ourselves, looking at ourselves from an external perspective. Imagine how that is confidence boosting. That is another benefit of visualization. It's also great for healing and recovery. So they know from studies that people who imagine that they'll heal faster actually do heal faster. And that's pretty amazing when you think about it. So even people who are optimistic about their recovery tend to heal faster than people who are pessimistic. It's interesting to think about, but like we are affecting our own internal environment with our own thoughts. And so that's pretty amazing when you think about it. And visualization is also great for relationships. So we can enhance our relationships by visualizing. We can imagine positive interaction with friends, with loved ones, communication, and just encouraging these more positive interactions. So those are a few ways that visualization can be super helpful to promote good quality of life and have happier relationships both with other people and with ourselves. Also, if you enjoy this topic, you enjoyed this video, I'm going to be offering a live workshop on visualizing for anxious attachment style. You can sign up at the link around this video, and I look forward to seeing you there.